Rachi Gupta, chef and founder here at the Bread Bar in Mumbai. Today we are going to make the Belgian dark chocolate tart. This tart is flaky, crumbly, gooey, chocolatey, all that you need in a tart. This recipe is super easy to make, so watch the video to know more. In a bowl, I have taken some sifted maida. Now we're going to add some powdered icing sugar to it. Now I'm going to add some cocoa powder to the mixture. अभी मैं hand whisk ले रही हूँ और इन सबको साथ में mix कर रही हूँ. Now I'm going to add some unsalted butter to the mixture. You can now mix this all with your hands. We have to make sure that the butter is nicely incorporated into the flour and the sugar. Now we can see that the flour and the butter has mixed together. We are going to add milk now for it to combine into a dough. We are going to form this mixture into a dough and level it down into a cling wrap. We are going to let the dough rest in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. The dough is rested. Now we are going to roll it out like we roll out roti. मैंने एक सिलिकॉन मैट यूज़ किया है. आप अपने किचन का चकला भी यूज़ कर सकते हो या किचन प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी बना सकते हो. जो हमने ये डो बनाया है, ये जो हमने टार्ट शेल का रिंग लिया है, वो हमें रिंग के ऊपर रखती है. अभी मैं इसे टार्ट की शेप दे रही हूँ so that it gets that flaky and crumbly texture. Now I'm going to trim off all the extra pieces so you can use it later when you want to make more. Now I'm going to use a fork and poke holes into the dough so that when it's in the oven it doesn't become fat. We baked it in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to make the chocolate custard for the tart. In a saucepan, now I'm going to add some milk. Now I'm going to add in some heavy cream. Now we're going to add the castor sugar. Lastly, I'm going to add egg yolks. At a low heat, I'm just going to stir in the mixture slowly. We are going to keep stirring it till the custard comes together. The easiest way to know that the custard is done is by checking the back of the spatula. So you can see like it passes through, it's thick. In a bowl, I have taken some Belgian dark chocolate. Now I'm going to pour the hot custard onto the chocolate. I'm going to take a hand mixer and emulsify the chocolate with the custard. Now we're pouring the custard into the tart. We'll fill it till the top. Now as you can see, we've filled this tart. We're going to let it chill in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. We can see that the tart is now finally ready. We will now decorate it with the leftover ganache we had from the custard mixture. And we will decorate it with some cocoa powder as well. Thank you for watching the video. Please follow Times Now Foodie for more such videos.